Look at this pretty package. This is from Doreen at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. We have a design team project that we are all doing. And I will show you, let me get this cut, with these bobbins, which I have painted white. These are wooden bobbins that come from Red Hill Fiber and Company. Right here. Here's their website. You can buy the lace holders or the bobbins or both from them. That's where they come from. So this is a package from Doreen. Let me read this. This is a collaboration. Doreen has sent us a goodie package that we can use in our project. We have 6 4-inch wooden lace holders, and that's what these are. There are 3 that are plain and 3 that are decorated. There's a cigar box, a wooden trinket box, fabrics, appliques, laces, and precious bits. Okay, so we are doing a collaboration, like I mentioned, and we are to decorate the boxes and the bobbins. This is a lovely bag. This is a very lovely bag. So, isn't this awesome? So we have the bobbins. They are wood initially. Hold on, let me show you. This is what they look like initially, without the lace, of course. Okay, there's a plain one and there's a decorated one. They're gorgeous. If you saw my lace holder video, then you saw that I left the wood and I just painted it with the sparkly paint. But I just loved the wood too much to paint over it. But with the bobbins, I'm gonna leave those 2 alone, but I painted these. I'm going white, and look at this tie. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, I have it upside down. So, beautiful cigar box. And I collect cigar boxes, so I thought this was wonderful. Oh, look at that. It is jam-packed full of stuff. How wonderful is that? Let me set my little note here. I'm going to keep that little note. We have a square doily. Love those square doilies. I don't get those enough. A beautiful piece of lace. Look at her packaging. Doreen is like the queen. And then here's the box. Oh, look, it has the, that's cool. It comes out somehow. We'll leave it alone. I love this. This can definitely be used. I know what I'm seeing already with this particular box. But let's set that aside and let's dig into this. Look at this. Little butterfly and some little rhinestones. Let me unpin that. Beautiful. A little pink scrap. Love the rhinestones. Love it all. Open that up. It's just beautiful. Look at that. It's like a little journal already. She read my mind on what I want to do with this box. Look at these pretty bits. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Looks like these are tea dyed. Gorgeous. Love this paper. Oh my gosh. Love it. There's another applique. Oh, look at the button. It's pinned on there. Cute. This fabric is gorgeous. It's quilt. Pink quilt. Look at all the little precious bits. Oh, this is gorgeous, Doreen. And there's another piece of that paper with lovely. Look at that fabric. And that's a pretty piece. Love that. Love this quilt. Gorgeous. And this. This is such a nice size. So Doreen sent all of her girls one of these kits for the collaboration. So I am excited to work with it. Let's set that aside. Can you still see it? No. Can't see those either. Just barely. Just barely. But they're there. Let's open this box. We'll do the boxes and then we'll do the little goodie bag. Look at all of this gorgeousness on here. Oh, look at the heart rhinestone. I love these little precious bits. Gorgeous. Everything is gorgeous. That's the only word I can say for this. See that pretty piece? That came off of something. That's nice. Here's a pretty piece that was in there. Love that. Look at the little ruffles. This wooden box is gorgeous. I see this with feet. Look at that. Wow. That looks like a box topper to me. Oh, look. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow, Doreen. Pearls and diamonds. That is stunning. And look at that one. That's in rose gold. More of a yellow gold, I guess. And we got little precious bits in here. Look at that. Another little butterfly. Look at all these little bits all pinned together. That pink one is pretty. We need to unpin this so we can have a look. Look at this baby pin. Gorgeous little baby pin. Look at all these, look at all those little rhinestones and pearls on that little bit there. That is so pretty in pink. This is what I was trying to see. Look at that. That would be pretty dyed pink. I might have to dye that. Butterflies on that little piece of fabric. And that. Gorgeous. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to color that one pink. I just see it as pink. I'm not going to put those back together. But that little pin is adorable. And this one, let's take it. I feel the bottom piece feels like a quilt. Another little piece of the pearls and rhinestone. Oh, look at the pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and it's polka dot too. Little piece of quilt. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. there's so many cute little bits here. And we have to look at them. Another cute piece. These are adorable. Oh, there's another piece of that polka dotted quilt. Can you see that it's polka dotted? Isn't that adorable? Love that. Look at these. Oh, they're so cute. Those little pins are going to be fun to play with too. Oh, look at the flower. Oh, look at that one. That is so cute. And that little butterfly, how adorable. And here's a couple of little bits. That is pretty. Oh, look at that. Sequence, like flower sequence. Oh, and here's a little butterfly. Oh, one of those flowers. Let's get this off. So adorable. Love that. Everything is just so cute. And look at this little baby book page. That smells like an old book. The papers feel so nice. And it's in French. It's got a paper bottom. Gorgeous. I have ideas floating around in my head. I already know what kit I'm going to be using with it. I'm going to be using Pink Parfait Cafe to decorate the boxes and painting them white. Look at this pretty pretty piece of fabric. I can't speak. I want you to be able to see everything. Okay, let's see what's in this goodie bag. I love this paper. So I don't want to rip it. What could be in here? Oh my goodness. This is what these came in for the other ladies. We a couple of us got these ahead of time, and but the ones that didn't already receive them received them in this bag, and that is a cute idea. Let's take a look at this. Which she did not have to send this, so that is very, very sweet, Doreen. Thank you. Look at that. It's a button. That is a gorgeous button. Look at that. And all these little bits. So cute. Love it. This is pretty. I bet that's vintage. That's pretty. Oh, and look how cute. How cute. and then the satin bag. Well, thank you, Doreen. Thank you so much for all the goodies. The design team project is going to be fun. It's definitely going to be fun to play with all of this stuff. If you guys are interested in bobbins or in the lace holders, I will leave the link down below. It is redhillfiber.com that you want to go to, and then do a search, and or just scroll through the products. There's lots of yarn there. It's a yarn store, and they're doing a little bit of this woodwork and stuff too. So check it out, and check out the videos of the other collabs. And this, the hashtag that'll be in the title, BBD lace holders. Check that hashtag out, click on that, go to that hashtag, and you can see all of the videos that pertain to these bobbins and to the lace holders. All right, well, thank you, Doreen. This was an awesome goodie bag, and I can't wait to start decorating these boxes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.